Today we'll talk about how can you disable Vibrate notifications on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on system options here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to Vibrate here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. As mean here, Vibrate notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.